baked soda. Cheap, simple, and almost invisible in your kitchen. But biologically, it has real use cases, and I will tell you why.
Baking soda.
Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Yeah, it acts like a buffer. Yeah, if you drink, that means it can neutralize acids in your stomach as well. The most common use: temporary relief from acid reflux, heartburn. Yeah, so in case you have a heartburn or a acid reflux within the body, you drink soda.
Boom!
When excess stomach acid causes discomfort, sodium bicarbonate reacts with that acid and forms salt, water, and carbon dioxide together within the stomach. So the result? Simple. Fast, short-term relief. Not a cure. Nah. But effective in that moment. Yeah? And the second area, sport performance. Listen, in highly extensive exercises, yeah, your muscle produces hydrogen ions. That contributes to the burning sensation and fatigue. Yeah? You feel that in the stomach. Sodium bicarbonate can act as a buffering agent, helping neutralizing acidity in the bloodstream.
Boom!
In controlled doses, this may delay fatigue. This may help during short, intensive efforts. That's why some athletes use that strategically. And now, the third use case of this baking soda. Medical settings. Topically, baking soda can also soothe mild skin irritation, yeah? Reduce itching, and it acts as a mild cleansing agent. So yes, it has benefits, but they are specific, yeah? Situational. You cannot use soda every single day while drinking it. Mechanism based. Baking soda does not alkalize your whole body. Remember that. Your blood pH is tightly regulated by your lungs, yeah, and kidneys. Therefore, breathing is so important. Daily morning routine, breath, Wim Hof breath methods, for example, because they are alkalizing the blood. Baking soda is acting locally, yeah, within the stomach acid surrounding fluids. So what it does is local and temporary, and that's okay. Real health is not about miracle substances at all times. It is about understanding how the body works. And baking soda is a simple chemistry which is working very efficient. While used correctly, it can be useful. So what you can do is you put a spoon of soda. You can do that every day in a cup of water and drink it 3-4 hours after eating, before sleep. So when you fast and you stop eating at 8 p.m., you drink at 10 or 11 p.m. before going to sleep, because the body must have an empty stomach while drinking baking soda. You can do this as well in the morning, but you must remember that after drinking 3 hours you cannot eat. Yeah? This was Habit Code, and I encourage you to create a habit of alkalizing your body, to prove and check your pH, blood and stomach acid, because it prevents you from any type of bacteria you can have. It's a good habit to check that. All the best. Jesus Christ, King. Amen.